My name's Steve Murray. I'm the president of Murray Equipment, and we are a manufacturer and a distributor and a wholesaler of liquid handling equipment. Murray Equipment started in 1950, and it's evolved quite a bit since then. We were only a service company, then we moved into distribution, and then into manufacturing, and that's where we're at today.
The scope of Murray Equipment is everything from the very smallest mom and pop shop to the mill, co-op, to ship terminals.
Murray Equipment's main focus is liquid handling for fertilizers and chemicals. We do everything from the storage, the manufacturer of the product, the transfer, the measuring, the controlling of the liquid.
So Murray Equipment is the only complete system supplier in the agricultural industry.
We employ 92 employees with 5 contract employees throughout the world. We're not here and gone. We want to make sure that the products that we produce are products that we would want to have, and they're going to be the best possible products.
Our salespeople are systems and product specialists. Murray Equipment not only has over 100 years on the outside sales force, we also have over 75 years experience on the inside sales aspect. And then in our engineering room, we've got an additional 80 years of experience. So all told, we're well over 200 years of experience when you call Murray Equipment.
We have 5,000-6,000 customers. We want them all to be successful. I mean, that piece of equipment is something that we have tested and proven that's reliable, and we wouldn't put that out to save $1 or to get more of $1. We want to be able to offer them exactly what they need for their use, for their price point. We have a strategic alliance with their success. We want them to be successful. We're not going to be able to sell a large project to them every year, but we want to be able to allow them to grow, and maybe down the road they'll need some other piece of equipment that we manufacture.
Murray Equipment supplies unmatched service after the sale every time. Once we do that location, we're married to that for life. That is one of our locations, and we're going to have to follow through with it as long as they're going to be around. So that's just the beginning.
In today's world, automation is the most important thing. It's the automation first, the equipment second. And it's the human interface is what our customers want. What is that piece of equipment going to do for me? They're not really concerned if that particular pump pumps 300 gallon a minute or 350. They want to know how fast they're going to get their data, how accurate is their data, and how fast are they going to be able to bill their customers. That's what's exciting.
Different levels of automation can get you much less error simply because it's not in 2 people's hands or 3 people's hands. It's actually in 1 person's hands, and that's only on the entry level. Once they enter the order or the transaction, it's actually fed all the way back through the system and billed automatically.
So automation is a real key. It helps in inventory, it helps in quality control for the product. It allows for the ability to expand and be able to accomplish more in a day per person.
Murray Equipment does integrate with all of the software packages, and even to the extent of if it's a custom integration, we can do that and have done that with several large players in the ag industry.
We are now doing quite a bit of work with unattended loadouts, and when we manufacture fertilizer blenders, we build the control panel which does everything for that facility as far as controlling the recipes, the products, where the products go to storage or they go to loadout.
Every location is going to be different. Yeah, different areas, different things. Florida, obviously, there's a lot of citrus, strawberries, and even sugarcane. However, in Michigan, you can have as many as 41 to 43 different crops in one growing season. Every different scenario has its own unique footprint to it. Murray Equipment knows liquids better than anyone, simply from the ground up. Murray Equipment is the only company that is fortunate enough to have its own meter division, and that in itself makes us understand fluids much better than most of the people in the industry.
Our main goal here is to be a problem solver for our customers. We are looking at ways to help them be successful.
Murray Equipment is stuck out as a steady supplier in our industry simply because we do the right thing at the right time and then stand behind it. If we do it wrong, we'll come back and take care of it every time.
We listen to what they say and take that information, and with our experienced personnel, we're able to come up with some solutions that hopefully help them quite a bit. Going forward, the way that the ag market is currently, there's a lot of opportunities for our customers, our growers, our farmers, to be able to utilize equipment to increase production. Best product, best price, and best service. Those are the key things.